Hello there, my name is Ibrahim.
And I'm Wei.
But wait, today we will be talking about this Wei, the enterprise-grade AI agent for personal growth. Wei is a part of Eliza Agent Orchestration with advanced memory, real-time search, and comprehensive analytics. The core problem I'm solving: personalized contextual, evidence-based wellness coaching that can maintain continuity across sessions. Traditional habit tracking apps like the conversational intelligence and memory to provide truly personalized coaching that adapts to individual preferences and learns from the past interactions. Wei addresses this by combining enhanced AI capabilities with enterprise-grade infrastructure to deliver a coach that feels natural, remembers user context, and backs recommendations with scientific research. Let's quickly take a look into live streaming with OpenAI Agents SDK.
Hey there! Ready to check out some cool rewards you can snag with your points? Let's make those points work for you.
Hey, hello. How many points I got so far?
You've got a total of 15 shiny points to play with. Let's see how we can turn them into something fun and rewarding. Ready to browse your options?
Yep, yes please. What's interesting?
Alright, here are some fun rewards you can grab with your 15 points. 1. 1 hour gaming. Take a break and play your favorite game for an hour. That's 15 points. 2. 30 minutes extra sleep. Sleeping in for 30 minutes tomorrow morning. So sweet. That's just 10 points. And 3. Social media break. 15 minutes of guilt-free social media browsing. 5 points.
And here is a few tutorials I wrote while building Wei. The first one, the integrating keywords AI into AI agentic apps. Second one, integrating mem0 into AI agentic apps. And the third one is integrating TLI search to give your AI agent superpower to browse the web.